In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable extended trading hours on TradingView. This feature can really enhance your trading experience by giving you a fuller picture of market activity, including pre-market and after-hours data. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your TradingView account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open the chart of the asset you wish to explore. Ensuring you have the right chart open is a simple yet crucial step, as these settings are specific to each chart you view. Once your chart is displayed, you have two methods to access the settings to enable extended hours. The first method involves a quick right-click anywhere on your chart. This action will bring up a menu from which you need to select settings. Alternatively, there's a small button labeled ETH located in the bottom right corner of your chart. Clicking this button offers a convenient shortcut to toggle extended hours on or off for assets that support this feature. Keep in mind that the accessibility of this button varies with different assets. It won't appear if the asset doesn't have extended hour data. If you've chosen the first method and clicked on Settings, the next step is to navigate to the Symbol tab. This tab houses various settings related to the asset you're viewing. Look for an option labeled Show Extended Hours within this tab. When you find it, you'll want to check this box. Doing so activates the extended hours features for your chart, broadening your insights by including both pre-market and after-hours trading data. Now that you've checked the box for extended hours, don't forget to confirm and save your settings by clicking OK. This action applies your changes, ensuring that your chart reflects a comprehensive view of market activities beyond regular trading hours. An important point to keep in mind is that not all symbols or exchanges provide extended hour data. If you don't see the ETH button or can't access the extended hours setting, it could be because the asset or exchange doesn't support this feature. It's helpful to be aware of this so you don't spend time looking for options that might not exist for your specific trading interest. Finally, while you're in the settings menu, you might want to explore some customization options. Many users appreciate the ability to personalize their chart by altering the color tint that highlights extended hours data. This visual customization helps in clearly distinguishing between regular trading and extended trading times. By enabling extended hours on TradingView, you're aligning your data sources with others, which gives you a more complete picture of price movements. Enjoy the fuller insight into market dynamics that this feature provides, and happy trading!